In this video, I'm going to show you how to protect your Instagram account from hackers, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time. The first thing you need to do is to open the Instagram application. Then click on your profile picture here at the right, here at the bottom. Then click on the hamburger sign. The hamburger sign are the three bars at the top. These ones here. Okay. Now click on account center. Now click on password and security. Okay. Then click on login alerts. Then click on Instagram. Here, you must make sure that the login alerts for in-app notifications and email are always on, okay? Then click the arrow back button. Then click on two-factor authentication. Then click on Instagram. Okay. Now select authentication app or SMS or WhatsApp. But the second option is better. Select SMS or WhatsApp. Then click next. Okay. Now enter the verification code that Instagram will send you via WhatsApp and click next. By this, any hacker will not be able to access your account simply by knowing the password. They must have the verification code sent to their WhatsApp anytime they want to log into your Instagram. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.